Hi, so it's me. I'm back from Norway. I've been back a couple of days now, and I've just started sending out my clients their proofing galleries, but some have already had their final images done. So I'm going to talk to you through probably shoot each week. Maybe do 2 videos a week based on the shoot. Anyway, but that's whatever, that's not really interesting to you. So I'm going to talk about the pinup shoot that I did with Miss Chandelier, which was pretty epic. So the sound isn't great, I apologise. So yeah, I went to Norway. I shot quite a lot of people there. See my dogs in the background, they're enjoying the garden. So there's Miss Frankie. So yeah, I shot a lot of people there. One of them was Miss Chandelier. She's this amazing sort of, if you like, influencer, but also just a beautiful woman all round. She does some really good body positive stuff as well. And so I shot her, and we shot in it's called Elska. You'll hear me mispronounce it in the video, probably. First of all, we did outside, which is a fountain just outside. Beautiful fountain. Norway's got the most beautiful architecture. We did this fountain. So one side of the building was it's like a square. So one side was in like shade, like on this side, and the other side was reflecting into it. So you had this really nice, beautiful, sort of man-made, if you like, bounce of the sun coming down. So the light was coming down but bouncing off all the window opposite into her, so it just gave this beautiful illuminating light. Actually almost looked like flash. It was so strong, so beautiful.
This is so good of him. Do you want to have him sat up here? Up there? Yeah, I think he's got no teeth. Yeah.
Then we moved inside for some pinup stuff. Only because I was travelling, I didn't have much with me. I had a speed light and a softbox that's an umbrella. Excuse me. I was going to have some rotor light, but unfortunately I couldn't sort that out in time to bring with me. But yeah, I hope you like the images. There's only a few images, but yeah, all the links below for how to get hold of Miss Chandelier, and see you all soon. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button. Okay, bye.